Introducing Essence, the world's most powerful de-esser, and the first in software history with the ability to de-ess a full mix with all the adaptability and subtlety of hardware. Essence epitomizes the quality, design ethos, and limitless extent of customization DMGAudio is renowned for, providing not just a psychoacoustically optimized vocal de-esser, but also a sub-band processor capable of reaching in and invisibly controlling any element of your mix. With a de-esser typically thought of as a fairly single application device, Essence breaks convention by showing you the vast array of situations in which a sub-band processor can be a lifesaver. Just scrolling through the available presets, which include some from Grammy Award-winning mastering engineer Bob Katz, offer a glimpse of the software's huge potential, whatever stage of the music-making process you happen to be at, making Essence a true secret weapon for mastering engineers and producers alike. The software's default GUI couldn't be simpler to use, with 3 sliders for choosing the frequency to target and then amount of gain reduction to be carried out. To listen to the sub-band, you can alt-drag the slider, making it even easier to get the frequency setting spot on, whilst the handy display shows those frequencies in green when they're going above the threshold, and how much they're being turned down in the gain reduction section above. Both threshold and ratio can also be adjusted from the display, where the different areas can be dragged up or down to set each parameter. And the meters alongside also provide a nice reference of how much of an effect Essence is having. And right-clicking zooms in to give a more precise scale too. So even the basic GUI gives you a decent amount of control. But of course, that's just the beginning. And once you open the advanced panel below, there's another level of tweaking pleasure to be had, with a host of advanced compressor settings, an EQ graph and analyzer, and a mixer section for full control over the level of each part, with draggable sliders and mute switches above. Just to briefly introduce you to a small selection of the many advanced options for signal processing with Essence, the software can either work in its default split mode or in a parallel fashion, which opens up another world of possibilities, such as New York compression or dynamic EQ processing, whereby the transparent smoothing out of parts of the spectrum or wilder tonalization strategies are easily carried out. Additionally, the compressor can be made to work in an upwards way to expand an area of frequencies, allowing you to maximize bass or add excitement or presence to individual sounds or the mix as a whole. And the compressor's hybrid dual release feature means it intelligently responds to the RMS level of the signal or the peak of transients to ensure operation is invisible. And it doesn't stop there. The advanced DSP options in the setup window mean that dual release can be disengaged for more analog, classic de-esser behavior, as well as an exact look-ahead time set to further assist with transparency and control. And the option of turning linear phase-off means you can reduce your CPU load, or turn on oversampling for ultra-high resolution mastering. So whether you're looking for the most powerful de-esser money can buy, or a highly flexible sub-band processor for invisibly getting to grips with different parts of your mix, Essence provides the tools you need. Download the demo from the DMGAudio website to hear the difference it can make to your mix today.